Alrighty, y'all. Henry and JoJo have a new thing. JoJo found a new noise that he likes. Wubba, wubba, wubba. No, JoJo. No. Want some fruit? He's had a big breakfast this morning, guys. He's eaten a duck egg, which is bigger than a regular egg. He ate the whole thing all by himself. He's had a bowl of cereal with some fruit, and now he's finishing off the container of fruit. He loves breakfast. Is it almost your birthday? How old are you going to be? How old are you, Henry? We need to teach you to hold up one finger. The right finger. Right? Right. Say happy birthday, Ellie. Oh, no. Last bite of fruit. All gone. All gone. All gone. Okay, I'll scrape a half a bite for you. What? Now it's all gone. All gone. Gunk gunk. Gunk 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 gunk. Gunk 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 gunk. Oh, baby, are you tired? You want to show Mama and Uncle Bill our game? We're going to clean the baby, clean the baby, clean the baby. You want to? Let me go get your washcloth. Clean the baby, clean the baby, clean the baby. We're going to clean the baby, clean the baby, clean the baby. Right? Here we go. Clean the baby, clean the baby, clean the baby. Clean the baby, clean the baby, clean the baby. Clean the baby, clean the baby, clean the baby. Clean your hands. Are you gonna bite it? Clean your hands. Ow! Say ow! Oh! Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. No! Are you snorting? Do you snort like your mama? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I nearly missed your face. I got it before you did. Ready? 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3. I'm tired of that one. You ready to get out? Gonna play with your strap? 1, 2, 3. You are a silly baby. Okay. Tell Mama and Uncle Bill bye-bye. Billy, 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 Billy. Did you hear a motorcycle? You want to get dressed? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? I've never seen you do that before. Oh, did you get cold? Sir? Say bye-bye. 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 Okay, guys. Love y'all. Bye.